झूठ वाले कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गए, झूठ वाले कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गए, हम हैं कि सच बोलते रह गए। ठीक है, तो देयर इज समथिंग यू हैव टू ऐड सम namak and mirch, some spice you have to add to your current job role to get selected. This is my experience. So hi Anush, kindly introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm from Tamil Nadu.
If you learn something this time, next time you will be a tough candidate. You will be in a situation to tell things. And I think you have seen my previous video. You have started in a wrong way about introducing. I am passionate about banking, hence I joined. This has not been asked to you. I said introduce yourself. And I told again and again and again that the 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds of your introduction is going to change your prospects in this interview. So why again and again and again you people are making the same mistake? Why I want you to come with a rectified introduction is that from your rectified introduction I will draw a question, or you will give me a wrong introduction and I will rectify it. That introduction you will give to the interviewer board, and that interview board will ask you a different question out of it. So that is not the purpose of my mock. I want to make this mock different than others by deciding the next question for you. I am trying my best to decide the next question for you. If I can ask you the next question, the chance, the possibility of you answering them fluently will go higher. So that's I want. I want you to make your next interview with interview board bit easy. So that's my motive. So why you, again, I think you have seen my interviews today morning. Okay, so please rectify it. I want you to rectify because you have good prospects. Okay, so I will not go along with you. So to cut it short, you have to just work on your introduction part. Then you will have a discussion of what you have done, why you have left, what type of experience you have. That will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Then the interviewer will ask you certainly how you are going to be useful to PNB. Okay, citing your current experience. Then they will try to understand how can you assess loans. So for that, kindly read this credit handbook. That is going to be useful. There are the documents, there are this working capital assessment, everything is mentioned. They will ask you questions on working capital, they will ask questions on corporate finance. Okay, so these are terms you are speaking in broad terms that are one kind of treasury related activities. So this is not going to help you in credit management. So if they would have to select you on basis of your various experiences, or they might feel you are energetic enough to work in such work in a credit department, but they will do so after confirming that you have enough knowledge of credit. As you have qualified in a written test, it is understood that you know about working capital assessment, you know about PSL, you know about corporate finance, you know about what is NPA. So what you know about what is mortgage, what is SARSAI, what is the documents, what is LCVZ, what is contingent liabilities, all of them they are going to ask you. You have time, take a leave. Please prepare on everything that is there in credit handbook. It's a 251 page. People are using it and getting a very good result. So please stick to this. No deviation to that. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sir, I have some questions. Like,
Yes.
should I mention about the FRM part one that I have completed, like, and might be
Yes, you
some
can you can mention.
automation,
Yes, because your experience is
some
of is with having other sectors as well. So there is no harm for you to mention that one. Okay, you can do so.
and sir, also about the that I might I'm also into automation part, like automating certain internal processes for the company. I would be able to do that on Excel. So would it be a good idea to present that?
Yes, because you have varied experience, so you can do this. Because if you would have certainly credit
Okay, sir.
experience only, you should not have changed the topic. But yes, you can use all of them.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes. Got it, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
I'll go
yeah.
with that. Thank you.
Yeah. Manish, you will be the last one to come for the interview, as you have already started attending. So I will take the last mock with you, and so that will take classes from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow 11 a.m. again, 11 or 11:30. Okay. Yes, I've taken so many repeated classes.
Training, sir.
Yes, Dilip, tomorrow we'll take. Last Ashish will be the last one. I have no more energy, so tomorrow I will take your mock. Okay, so don't worry about it, uh, because I have to be attentive to what you people are saying. Just in the sake and the name of taking mocks, I cannot take. I cannot take marathon. I told to do, but I don't take this because I still insist on quality. Okay, I still insist on quality. I want all of you to improve. So there is no issue. Just I will ask a question and I will leave it, and you will answer. You will continue answering. That is not a good idea. Yes, Manish, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So can you please introduce yourself? So you can improve yourself. There are general banking officers posts are coming. So that is also going to be useful for you. Please keep reading on these things. These are going to be very, very, very useful for you. Okay. Please stick to this. Please kindly stick to this. Okay. I want you to read more about credit management. The things are there in app, in WhatsApp link I have provided. I have list of questions in credit department. Please prepare. You all people have time. Next time I want all of you to come prepare by tomorrow 11:30. Make it prepared. I am there to improve you. You have time. See, I am nowadays I'm being more harsh with all of you. Okay, so it's because I want to improve you. Wherever you are wrong, I am telling you indirectly wrong. So because you have a chance to rectify here, that doesn't mean I am a man of perfection. I don't strive to be a perfect man. I do a lot of mistake in my life. Okay, so but that does not stop me rectifying you all. I am not a great man to rectify. That's a very responsible job, but I try my best to give you some piece of advice that is going to help you. Okay, so I am trying my best. Sir, I sent.
Good morning, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, good morning. Hi, how? Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, I will go with Rana. Anil, you will be coming next. Okay. Rana, you are preparing for
Yes,
credit
sure, sir.
manager?
Yes, sir. I'm preparing for
preparing
credit
for-
manager. Credit manager scale 2, sir.
Okay, credit manager scale 2, no issue. Vivek, will you come? You seems to be on roads. You seems to be enjoying this Saturday holiday, right? So your video, your audio is also mute. Your audio is also in mute. Whatever you are speaking is I'm not getting it.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes, it's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me, you are seems to be walking and going somewhere for Saturday
No, sir, I'm
shopping.
going to the branch, sir. My branch manager has called me. There's some work.
So this is the irony. So I am preparing once my students will qualify in PNB exam. I will tell them welcome to hell. I will not say tell them to congratulations. I will tell them welcome to hell, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the irony of the bankers. They are being
Yes, sir.
caught in every Saturday,
Nowadays, it
Sunday.
has become very difficult, sir.
Yes, I got it. Okay, you can catch us later. This all will be
No
provided
problem,
in
sir. No problem, sir. My
recording
branch
mode in
manager takes
application.
another half an hour to come. So I'll finish it off meanwhile.
Okay, so I will make a mock interview while you are working. So that will
Yes,
be
sir.
a very, very different experience for our students, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. Those who want to join after Vivek can raise his hand. I will come directly to him. I will have a quick session with Vivek. So Vivek, where are you currently working?
Sir, I am currently working in SBI, sir, as a deputy manager.
Okay.
I'm
Okay, so yes, okay, you have the skills, but the thing is that you have to improve little risk management concepts. You have to read a bit. Okay, these RWAs you have to thorough because you have worked in risk department. The expectation is high. You definitely you are not going to be asked difficult questions. No one is going to be asked to ask you or to anyone difficult questions in interview. In interview, they ask general questions, but they want a clear understanding of facts. Okay. People, those who are applying for general banking officers in RRBs or general officers for other PSUs are completely cleared the Basel norms. Okay. So the RWA you have to clear, which asset is how, what is the weightage for each asset, you have to clear that one. Everything that is from CCB and why this is happening, you have to clear that one. Go with Basel, go with AML KYC. Okay. Go with AML KYC. Read a little about operational risk. Okay. Audit is more concerned about operational risk. So because you have been part of that, so you have to have a bit idea about operational risk. Research something about, I think you know NIBM when it is established, how it is established. Okay. So this is it. And no, just work upon your reason of quitting Axis Bank. This is almost okay. Okay.
It is one of the requirements. It is one of the requirements. They need people in corporate credit as well. That's what I said. If before you there were 10 of corporate credit managers, they will say that why should we take only corporate credit managers? Why not retail? Because the requirement in retail is more. We need only few people in corporate they need few people, only few people in corporate credit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you are going through, but the thing is that you have to remain prepared for a discussion. You will tell me after the interview that whether you were grilled or they were discussing with you. So now, just a second, I am with Monica. You can remain silent. I will complete with her and I will come to you. No issue. So this is it. Okay. So you just prepare how to describe your last job profile, what you have done. You focus on NBFC credits. That's okay. Good job. Focus on it. There is, you are already in banking. So there is, you don't need to be, and one thing I must tell you, people are not having that much of risk experience. And last time they didn't even get people from risk. Okay. So that's why they have made it relevant experience. And you are meeting the criteria. So you are nothing to worry about it. I was just telling you, Monica, to prepare for a discussion, not for an interview. And in your case, it's also going to be a similar kind of thing. They may ask you few things, considering that you work
Okay, so Induja, I seem you have a clear-cut idea about credit, but you have to be thorough about all these terms. Okay, they are not going to ask you anything beyond this. They will be interested to know about the process that is there in South Indian Bank. There are very less number of candidates who will come from South Indian Bank. So they will try to understand how credit happens, what you have done. So you have to tell that you have the exposure of sanctioning loans from your branch side, or recommending loans, not sanctioning, recommending loans, making the proposals. Okay, ठीक है?
सर मुझे पूछना था कि मतलब जो इंट्रोडक्शन था वो सही था और उसमें और क्या क्या बदलाव करना है?
नहीं, आप उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्रेडिट एक्सपीरियंस को तवज्जो देना है, क्रेडिट एक्सपीरियंस को थोड़ा बढ़ा के बोलना है, बस हो जाएगा।
अच्छा। और सर वही एक क्वेश्चन जो था कि पीएनबी में क्यों आना चाहते हैं आप आरआरबी छोड़कर? आरआरबी छोड़कर आप पीएनबी में क्यों आना चाहते हैं? इसका
आरआरबी से सर ग्रोथ था, सबको प्यारा होता है। You have complete details of working capital finance. Okay, you have mentioned working capital finance. You have to talk about SME finance, what type of loans you are providing. It will be discussion. It will be more of a discussion in nature. RRBs, they often ask you about Basel. Okay, correct. Basel is the basic of banking. So please learn about Basel. Please learn about AML KYC. Then you prepare your CV, or then you prepare your introduction. Then you will understand what are these risk management things. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Please work on that.
Sure.
Okay. Last time I was rectifying someone fair credit appraisal experience. I understand it. Okay. But the thing is that you have to learn some principles of lending, why lending is important, this safety, liquidity, etc. And two important thing is ability to pay and intent to pay. ability to pay and intent to pay. And ability to pay, you check from the documents, from the financials. Okay. Intent to pay, you check from the references, you check from his market feedbacks, and most